Hold the phone, Moto parents. I've got some KTM news for you guys. It looks like we are indeed getting a KTM version of the Husqvarna E2, the KTM SX E2. Man, this thing looks sick. It looks loud. It looks aggressive. It looks ready to race. If you missed my videos on the Husqvarna E2, this thing's got 3 different power modes. It's got disc brakes. It runs on a 40 volt like power equipment battery, and it is indeed hot swappable. It's got a hub drive motor. Swing arm looks really cool. It looks like it has some lock-on grips from ODI, WP suspension. It's going to be a game changer, guys. This is probably going to replace the PW out of pure convenience alone. We think the MSRP on these is going to be around $2,200. I don't know who this little guy is, but he's making this thing look nuts. I do not want my 3-year-old doing this on an SX E2. Here's another shot from this angle. So we've got the KTM, we've got the Husky. Is Gas going to join the party with an MCE2? My intuition kind of says yes, because if they already have the 3 and the 5, why wouldn't they? Oh, good news, another option for our little rippers.